Hey guys, I'm fixing to show you how to make the cutest little snowman snack for your Christmas parties, family gatherings, or just to make with your kids for a fun snack. You see, I'm not in my kitchen. This is a no bake, no cook, nothing. You don't need to be in your kitchen to do this. I'm gonna sit at my dining room table and make it. I made this for my son's Christmas party, I don't know, 8 or 10 years ago. I got the idea off Pinterest and I thought about it recently and I said, hey, let me show y'all how to do it. First thing you're gonna need are these little bamboo skewers that you can buy. I've got mine at Walmart. I think it's a pack of 100 for like $1. Super cheap. So you're gonna need these and powdered donuts. So let me show you how to do it. I'm just gonna take one of these donuts and poke the pointy side through the donut and slide it down. Now, you want to end it where the pointy side is not poking through the donut because you don't want anybody to poke their fingers. The next thing you're going to need, Mike and Ike's. Aaron's excited about the Mike and Ike's. Okay, you can use whatever colors you want, but you do want to get the orange ones for the nose. So, I'm going to show you. So, you know, you got the little hole in the donut. I'm going to take my little orange Mike and Ike and stick it in the top hole. There's his little nose. And then I'm going to take whatever other colors I want and put for like his buttons in the other holes. All right. So there we go. The next thing you're going to want to get is some type of fruit roll-up type thing. I thought this was a red one, but it's a blue one, but it'll work just fine. So you're going to want to unroll your fruit roll up, and then with a pizza cutter, can y'all see that? With a pizza cutter, you're just going to cut little strips. Mine is uneven, so I'm going to try to straighten that up first. So now you're just going to cut little strips. So see, I got a little strip of fruit roll up. And then if y'all can see what I'm doing here, I'm gonna wrap it around his little neck. And now he has a little scarf. Isn't that cute, y'all? Okay. I'm gonna take some black little writing icing and some red little writing icing. So with the red icing, you're gonna wanna make a little mouth for your snowman. Just like that, y'all. Now you're gonna take your black writing icing and you're gonna give him some eyeballs. And y'all, that's it. Look how cute that is. And it takes, hey, it turns out so cute and kids love them and they're so easy to make. Even your kids could help you make them. So I'm gonna make up a few more. I'll show you what they look like. Here they are on the plate. Y'all, how cute are those? Y'all, these are so cute. Now, if you want to be real creative, you can put like a little mini Oreo or a little mini Reese's peanut butter cup or something on the top to make it look like they have a hat. But I didn't fool with that, and I think they're still cute. We'll see if Aaron wants to do a taste test. All right, which one you want? All right, be careful with it. Oh, he lost the nose. Is it good? Look, it's definitely kid approved. Let me know if you guys try them. Thank you for tuning in. See you guys next time. Bye. Oh.